Welcome to Rustic Alley. Rustic Allies, thank you for your continued support. Here's a high five from Allie. Please like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss updates on this channel. Let's talk about one of our favorite seasonal fruits, the persimmon. Persimmons are generally in season from October to January. However, the exact timing of the harvest and peak season can vary depending on the variety of persimmon in the growing region. Some of the most common persimmon varieties and their peak harvest times include Fuyu, October to December; Hachia, November to December; Spanish persimmon, kaki fruit, mid-October to January. Persimmons are a good source of dietary fiber, vitamin A, and vitamin C. They are also a good source of antioxidants, which can help protect the body from damage caused by free radicals. When choosing persimmons, look for fruits that are firm but not hard. Fuyu persimmons can be eaten ripe or unripe, while Hachia persimmons should be fully ripe before eating. Fully ripe Hachia persimmons will be soft and have a sweet honey-like flavor. Persimmons can be eaten fresh, dried, or cooked. They can also be used in a variety of recipes, such as pies, jams, and smoothies. If you are looking for a delicious and nutritious fruit to enjoy in the fall and winter, persimmons are a great option. Benefits of persimmons: heart health. Persimmons are a good source of potassium, which helps to regulate blood pressure. They also contain antioxidants that can help to protect the heart from damage. Reduced inflammation. Persimmons contain compounds that have anti-inflammatory properties. This may help to reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, cancer, and arthritis. Supportive for healthy vision, persimmons are a good source of vitamin A, which is essential for vision health. They also contain carotenoids, which have antioxidant properties and may help to protect the eyes from damage. Healthy digestion. Persimmons are a good source of fiber, which is important for digestive health. They can help to regulate bowel movements and prevent constipation. The taste of persimmons. Persimmons have a sweet and slightly tart taste. When they are ripe, they are soft and juicy. Persimmons can be eaten fresh, cooked, or dried. Here are some specific ways to enjoy persimmons. Fresh. Persimmons can be eaten fresh, sliced, or diced as a snack or added to salads, yogurt, or oatmeal. Cooked. Persimmons can be cooked into pies, cobblers, jams, and sauces. They can also be used in soups and stews. Dried persimmons are a chewy and sweet snack. They can also be used in trail mix or granola. Persimmons are a versatile and delicious fruit that can be enjoyed in many different ways. They are also a good source of nutrients and antioxidants, making them a healthy addition to your diet. Let us know in the comments section if you have tried persimmons before. We would love to hear from you. As always, safe travels!